Hey everyone, have you ever thought about you can easily make $5,000 in 1 month? It is very simple thing, but you should have a strategy. Okay, I have a simple strategy. You can easily make $5,000 in 1 month. Okay, if you follow this kind of strategies, you can easily make. See, make $5,000 in 1 month. It is our goal. Okay, monthly goal here. But if you set your goal something big, like if you earn $200 per day, $200 per day, okay, so you can easily get 200 multiply 30 here, $6,000, okay, $6,000. But our goal only about $5,000, okay. If you make more than $5,000, there are something problem. No. Okay. So here you have to achieve your goal, you have to follow 2 jobs. But you can easily get this kind of goals through one job. Okay. But there are some risk. Okay. But we don't take any kind of risk. We follow simple strategy without taking any kind of risk. Okay. So you choose 2 jobs. Okay. I already told you about how to make $10,000 in my first videos. Okay, so you see on this channel. So here you get 2 jobs. First, like food delivery. Okay, you deliver food. You can join DoorDash or Uber platforms. You can easily join. Okay, and you work only 4 hours. If you do work only 4 hours on lunch plus dinner, okay, you easily get $120 cash. Okay, $120 you can easily get working for 2 hours, working 4 hours. Okay, okay, and our second job is sell one phone or item. If you sell one phone or item, you can easily also get more commission. Okay, here you buy broken phone for $200. Okay, and then fix that for around $40. Okay, and you sell that phone $400. Okay, you sell that phone for $400. Okay, you will easily get $160 profit. Okay, and if you don't do this, if you do not do this kind of job, you can easily do this. Sell one free or curve find for $160. Okay, you can choose. You can choose one of them. Okay, you can choose, and it is our first. It is our second thing. First job, food delivery. Second job, you sell one phone or any free curve. Okay, so here your daily income will be $120 from through delivery and $160 through filling. Okay, it will be $280 per day income. Okay, per day income, $280 per day income here. And if you do only 25 days work in a month, okay, then $280 multiplied 25 days, it will be $7,000. $7,000. Okay, you keep only $5,000 and after gas or taxes. Okay, it is very simple calculation here. If you doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. And you getting this kind of result. If you get this kind of result, you need some things. What things? Here you need a car or bike, okay, to deliver food. Okay, and you need $200 to start your business, like buy a broken phone, okay, or any kind of item, okay, you need $200 to start your second job, okay. You need from you need a vehicle car for your first job, and for second job you need $200 something, okay. And you find also free stuff, okay. And you need a phone. Phone is most important thing here for your delivery or your selling products, okay. So I think you understand it is very simple calculation here. If you follow this kind of jobs and simple, you do simple calculation, you easily get your result as your choice, okay. That's it. It is no any kind of, there are no any kind of box, okay. It's just a simple side hustle. So if you interested this kind of videos, you can ask me in the comment box, okay. I will give you more videos, whatever you want. And if you are new on this channel, then also subscribe this channel to see more videos like this. So see you in the next video. Bye soon.